Hello CraftDee Family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we will be creating this beautiful arched window pane and wreath wall decor using items purchased from the Dollar Tree and items that were $1 or less. Please see the description box below to see all of the items and tools used in this project. I am so happy to share this tutorial with you, but before we start, I wanted to say welcome back to my current and new subscribers to my channel. If you're a new visitor today to my channel and you love to create fun and easy DIY projects on a budget, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you will be the first to know when a new DIY tutorial is ready to share with you. So now let's jump right in. For this project, you will need 2 bundles of this boxwood greenery from Walmart for 97 cents, a twine wreath from the Dollar Tree, 2 sheets of this white foam board from the Dollar Tree, and some burlap ribbon or ribbon of your choice. The first thing you're going to do is to take your boxwood bundles, and we will want to remove those leaf stems from the main stem. Now I use leaves from just 2 bundles. Then you'll take your wreath form and we'll be applying the leaves all the way around it. Now using a hot glue, we're going to apply just a dab of that hot glue to the bottom of a stem. And then we're going to apply it at a slight angle going outward. Then we take our second one and we're going to hear it at a slight angle going inward. Now we're going to repeat this for the entire wreath. Now when you reach the end, all you want to do is take any remaining pieces of that boxwood and fill in any gaps. And here you are, all done. Now we can start on the window pane. I did an internet search and found a window pane design that I liked, then I resized it and printed it out. Then I trimmed and taped it all together. I have included a link in the description box below for the file that I created for your personal use. Next, we're going to go ahead and take our foam board and lay out our window design on top of it, facing down. Then we're just going to secure that in place. Now grab your embossing tool and we're going to trace that outline of that window onto the foam board, being careful not to press too hard and puncture it. Then we're going to go ahead and remove our template, and the embossed lines should be visible for you to follow. Next, go ahead and lay down that protective cutting mat, and we're going to place that board on top and grab our Xacto knife. Then we're going to carefully cut and follow those embossed lines, and we're going to cut out the window openings. Now when we're all done, we're going to carefully remove all of those cutouts. Just use your Xacto knife to cut away any areas you may have missed. And here it is, fully cut out. Now go ahead and grab your second foam board and place your window pane on top. We're going to take your hot glue and we're going to run a bead of glue on the back of it and then flip it over to adhere it to that foam board. Then we're just going to gently press that into place. Now all we have to do is just follow those cutouts from our previous window and remove them just like we did before. Doubling up on that foam board makes this a very sturdy and strong display. Now once these are all cut out, just use a nail file to smooth out all of your cuts and remove any jagged edges. Now we're going to age our window pane, so go ahead and protect your work surface and gather up your painting supplies. Now I will be using 3 acrylic paints, one in this dark gray color called Pavement, another one in white, and then the final one in a brown color. Now with a fine paintbrush, we want to mix that pavement color and that brown and start to paint random wear lines on your window pane. Then you're going to take your dry chip brush and mix and blend the white and the pavement colors, and then we're going to lightly wisp that brush on the window to create wear and distressing. And now that it's all dry, we are ready to apply our wreath. Now you can secure your wreath with hot glue, but I opted to use this floral wire that I already had on hand, so I'll be able to swap out the wreath with the seasons. So just flip it over and then cut a piece of that wire. Now you want to just feed it around the wreath and twist it on the back, securing it to that window frame. You want to do this in a few places. And there you go, all secured. Now you can add any embellishments you like. I'm going to go ahead and add a ribbon that I made for some Dollar Tree burlap. Now you can hot glue this, but I simply wanted to use a paper clip to secure it in place, so I'll be able to swap it out. Now I also am going to be adding this metal welcome cutout sign from the Dollar Tree that was available during Thanksgiving, and I'll just nestle that into their greenery. And here is my completed project. You know, you guys, I have been wanting one of these vintage style wreath windows for so long, and I'm so excited that I could create this from items that were $1 or less. I just love how this captured that cozy rustic farmhouse look. The detail that was added to make it worn and aged, it appears so realistic. And as you can see, it's very, very simple to do. Now those boxwood wreaths that I see in the stores are really expensive, and I'm just so excited that I could create it with only $3. And the best thing is that you can leave this wreath as is, or you can choose to embellish it to the way you like. I think either way would be beautiful. This is a super inexpensive way to add a high-end look to your space for less than $8 total. Now that's what I call a DIY on a budget. Listen, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you share this with your friends. This lets me know that you're enjoying my videos and I can keep bringing you more projects. Thank you so much for visiting and checking out my tutorial. If you like videos like these and you don't want to miss the next one, make sure you're subscribed by clicking that button below and turning on that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.